About this item, our SMA to BNC adapter connectors are built to precise RF specifications. SMA to BNC SDR adapter is a between-series coaxial adapter design. This 50 ohm SMA adapter is precision manufactured to RF components industry specifications and has a maximum frequency of 3 GHz. Different BNC SMA Coax connector gender versions are possible in this product line. SMA to BNC scanner adapters are constructed in female to female, female to male, male to female or male to male gender varieties. It can connect a BNC antenna to SMA radio. SMA to BNC kits 50 ohm Walkie Talkie adapters work for handheld ham radio, tiny SA spectrum analyzer HTS, and SDR dongles. Vertex ICOM Kenwood Baofeng Laoxun two-way radio, scanners, Radiodity GD77, Kenwood THF6A, Yisu FT70DR and so on provides you with a reliable and secure SMA to BNC connection. Work for antennas, CCTV, digital communication systems, ham radios, microwave applications, RF applications, wireless LAN devices, and more. Package content. 4. X BNC to SMA radio adapter, BNC female to SMA female, BNC male to SMA female, BNC male to SMA male, BNC female to SMA male. In the description to get this product today at the best price.